Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to buy crypto using Mercury Bank. So, let's get started. In this video, I'll show you the steps to purchase cryptocurrency using your Mercury Bank account safely and efficiently. First, log into your Mercury account and make sure your account is active and funded. Mercury does not directly sell cryptocurrencies, so you will need to use a third-party crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Next, go to your chosen crypto exchange and create an account if you don't have one already. Complete all verification steps required by the platform, such as ID verification and linking a bank account. Once your crypto exchange account is verified, link your Mercury Bank account as your funding source. This usually involves entering your Mercury account and routing numbers to enable bank transfers. After your Mercury account is linked, deposit the amount you want to spend into the exchange. Transfers may take a few business days depending on the platform and banking process. Once the funds arrive, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the purchase amount and complete the transaction. Your crypto will then be added to your exchange wallet. Always remember to double-check wallet addresses and transaction details, as crypto transactions are irreversible. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.